Good morning, children. Let us continue lesson number 5, learning to type. Children, earlier we have discussed about home keys, and you remember that home keys are A, S, D, F, J, K, L and semicolon. So let us move ahead and we will study today how you are going to press alphabet E and I. So in this part, we have added two new keys E and I, which are on above than home keys. To type them correctly, you should slide your middle finger to the upper row. Type E, moving your middle finger to your left hand from D, and type I with the middle finger of your right hand moving K. Once the keys are pressed, your fingers must go back on the home keys. This is very important point as we have home keys and we know our home keys. So our fingers should be rested on home keys. You can see in the picture, children. Here we have E and here we have I. So we have to move our middle finger from here and here, again middle finger to press E and I respectively. Now in the next part we are going to study about U and R. To type them correctly, slide your index fingers to the upper row from F and J respectively. Again two new keys T and Y, and for this we will again slide our index finger only. I have used the same picture so that you can understand it properly. As you can see in the picture, here we have R and here we have U. It is just above the index finger. So we will use our left hand index finger for pressing R and our right hand index finger for pressing U. And then T and Y is at the middle. So again we will use index fingers only. Next, we will learn how we can type W and O. To type it correctly, we will use our ring fingers. And then for Q and P, we will use our little fingers. Let us see how. Let's study the keys. Here we have W and here we have O. So it is just above the ring finger. So you will slide your ring finger and then you will press W and then you will bring back your finger. Again O, you will slide your ring finger and you will come back. For Q and P, you will use your little finger. Now children, let us start learning about the third row. In this part, we add two new keys C and comma. For this, pressing C, you will use your middle finger of your left hand from D and we will press comma with the middle finger of your right hand from K. Remember to place your fingers back on the home keys after every keystroke. As you can see, C is over here, C is here and comma is here. So we will use our middle finger. For C, we will move our middle finger little bit and we will press C. Again we will move our middle finger from right hand and we will press comma. Now let us talk about next keys, which are V and M. To type them correctly, slide your index fingers to the lower row from F and J respectively. As you can see, children, V is over here and M is over here. So for V and M, we will use our index finger. It is near to it, so we'll use our index finger from here to here and again from J to type M. Then in the next part, we are going to learn about B and N. As you can see, B and N at the middle of this row. So again, we will use our index finger only. Now children, let us study about X and full stop. X we have here. So as you can see, it is near to ring finger, so we will use ring finger, and for full stop it is just next to comma, so we'll use ring finger of right hand. So to press it correctly, we will use our ring finger. Then the last one is the keys, which are Z and slash key. For Z and slash key, as it is here, we will use our little finger for Z and again little finger of right hand to press slash. I hope children you have understood how to press the different keys with your 10 fingers. So we are using all our 10 fingers for typing to make our typing efficient, and we will save our time also. Thank you children.